Log into Zapier. Now click on Create on the top left and then select Zaps. Click on the Trigger tile to get started. Search for Wix to set it as Trigger App. Choose a trigger event, for example, blog, to trigger when a new blog is published. Sign into your Wix account and click Continue. Select the specific trigger to use. Click on the Test Trigger button. Now click on the Continue with Selected Record button. Search and select Canva as the action app. Choose an action event. Sign into your Canva account, then click Continue. Click Allow to grant access. Complete and customize the required fields to continue. Click the Test Step button. Select Publish to complete the integration. Completing these steps will integrate Canva with Wix, boosting your content management and productivity.